Over the last 7 or 8 years here on the channel, we've looked at a lot of different lighting products, and one thing most of those all have in common is they all require some sort of external power source or external battery charger or something. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at something really cool from the folks at HybridLight. These are all a bunch of self-contained solar lights, and a couple of them have a little something extra, but we're talking about the HybridLight Hybrid Solar Pro Kit. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. The folks at HybridLight were kind enough to send me one of their Pro Kits. And there it is again. This one is in a very cool, bright neon greenish yellow. They also have camouflage version. I prefer the greenish yellow version because I like to be able to find stuff if I drop it in the woods. But I want to go ahead and tell you can save 20% on HybridLight products at hybridlight.com by using the coupon code SOP20. So they were kind of, that's a pretty good discount. So anyway, we're going to take a look at kind of do an unboxing video of this. I'm not going to do a detailed review of each one of these right now because that'll take too long. We're going to do that coming up later. But I want to go ahead and give you a kind of a sneak peek at what's coming up. And we're going to do that right after this quick Sportsman's Guide Military Surplus Minute. You may know that Sportsman's Guide is a great site for all sorts of outdoor gear. You may not know they are the world's largest military surplus site. They have all kinds of cool stuff. What we try to do in these minutes is just give you some examples of the kind of stuff you can find there. Very often, by the time it makes it to video, it's already sold out because they get new stuff in and sell stuff out all the time. But this is just some examples of the kind of things you might find. A while back, I got some of these Hungarian bosun's whistles. I say that right. There was 3 of them. They were used. They came packaged like that, and that's what they look like. So they said they were used, but they're just I mean, you can boil these in water if you're really concerned about that. But they seem to be pretty well maintained, and they're just good solid metal whistles. I think they're aluminum. And if you've been watching the channel for very long, you may know that one of the things that I think everybody should have with them in the woods is a whistle, because it just makes it really easy to signal in case something happens, you're hurt or whatever. You know, your voice will give out long before this whistle. So let me just blow this for you real quick, show you how loud it is, and we'll wrap this little spot up. Pretty stinking loud. So hopefully you had your ears covered for that. So, and also I'd like to remind you that you can save 20 bucks on any order over 100 bucks except ammo by using the coupon code Survival20 when you check out at Sportsman's Guide. Probably not going to find ammo right now anyway. So anyway, thanks again to the folks at Sportsman's Guide for sponsoring this video. Now let's take a look at the HybridLight Pro Kit. We're going to open this thing up and give you one more little quick look there, and then we're just going to, again, we're going to do like an overview of kind of what's in here and show you the basics about the different items. So the first item in here, this is the Puck 150, and you can see it functions. It's got like most of these, it has a little solar panel on it. They all do except for the headlamp. It's got a nice little hook here. You can hang it up in your tent or hang it up anywhere in a pavilion. It functions as a flashlight with 2 different levels. Let's see, and the levels are 30 lumens and 150 lumens. And the 30 lumens is good for 40 hours and the 150 is good for 8 hours. Recharges from any light source. And you can also recharge it from USB. Let me show you that. Water resistant cover. So you can recharge it from just your standard USB charger like you would charge a phone as well. It's also holds a charge for 7 years. Also, you can pop it out like that though, and then you got yourself a little lantern, which is also pretty cool. And you can hang that up again like so, and it has a little rubbery ring there so it doesn't slide around on the table. So pretty cool there. Again, we'll take a closer look at this thing on another video, but there's that little puck, lightweight, you know, stored in your pack or whatever. The next item is also something that's really cool, kind of similar but different. Again, has the solar panel on bottom. Again, has the hook to hang it up. Again, functions as either a flashlight, and this one, let me see what the specs are on this one. I've got them all written down here so I don't mess this video up too badly. It's 40 lumens or 400 lumens. Let's see. Also has an area light. So let's see if we can do that. We can do it here, bam, we got the flashlight, and area light like so, and another area light like so. Two levels of area light, and what's really stinking cool, let me just show you this. Let's see. We got, this thing has a
FM.
FM. So I guess you can tune the FM.
Auxiliary.
So it's got auxiliary. You can plug something else in here, use the speaker, or
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Check this out. So I had to, anyway, it works. Okay. All right, so I had to play some of my, turn you off, hush. I had to play some of my own music there because I did a Bluetooth speaker video a while back and I had like 3 seconds of a George Strait song and I got a copyright violation notice. So anyway, that's a Bluetooth and a light. Always cool to have some music when you're hanging out in the woods or wherever you're hanging out when you don't have any electricity. So the next item is the Nav hybrid headlamp, and it comes with a, you can either use it just like a little flashlight. It's got a little headband that goes with it, and it snaps on here, and you can have it on or off, just it's up to you. What's cool about this is it has 3 different light colors. Okay, white. Hold it, keep holding it down. Let go of it, push it and hold it down again. It goes to red. Okay, so it took me a minute to get it figured out, but it's pretty cool. It's got red flashing and it's got a pretty cool stuff there. So that is the, and you can charge this up with a USB. So very, 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 turn off. Very, very lightweight too. I mean, this thing weighs literally featherweight. So there's that. Chuck Norris can build a snowman out of rain. Next item is the Journey 300 flashlight. And this is nothing fancy here. It is just a solar powered flashlight and has a screw off USB out to charge other devices, or you can charge it with the USB as well. There's a nice little silicone ring there to waterproof this thing. So, and holds a charge for 7 years. Great emergency flashlight. And then it's got 300 lumens. And there you go. So that's nice. Very, very lightweight again. The next item is Mammoth. This is a 400 lumen multi-light and charger. So there's the charger, the solar on the back. And oh, bad move, Brian. And then you can, it's has an area light of 400 lumens and it has a flashlight. Let's see if I can make the flashlight. The flashlight is 150 lumens. And what else is really cool about this is you can take it and plug it into the wall right there and you have yourself an emergency light, so you'll have it whenever you need it. And then also it tilts down and aims in different directions. So pretty cool there. It's got a magnetic base on it, and it has a adjustable, rotatable, twistable hook, hanging hook, as well as a USB out and a USB in. This thing has got pretty much every way you need to charge it. You can plug it in on the back, you can charge it with USB, you can charge it with a solar, and use for a flashlight or an area light. And this is a real deal here. Pretty cool here. This is the Mammoth. And then finally, to wind up this rambling mess here, the Atlas 600 adjustable lantern. This thing has again a solar panel on top of it, and it has USB, the double USB output and a USB input, so you can use this thing to charge. So this thing has 3 different levels. Let's see if I can get those. You got a low, a medium, and a high. The low is 25 lumens, the medium is 120 lumens, and the high is 600 lumens. Yeah, I'm reading over here, please forgive me. 100 hours of light on the low on a full charge. And then it has a micro USB port for fast charging. Again, holds a charge for 7 years. And this thing is very, very, very lightweight. So again, we're going to do detailed reviews of all this stuff separately because I don't want to spend 3 hours on this video. It's already a rambling mess as it is. So anyway, that is the HybridLight Pro Kit. Don't forget, you can save 20% on all your HybridLight products by using the coupon code SOP20 at hybridlight.com. So thanks again to the folks at HybridLight for sending me this so I can show it to you. Stay tuned again for the detailed reviews of all this stuff coming up soon. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of those, because just in case YouTube decides to squash the old channel here, I'd like to please invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Get signed up for my weekly email newsletter so we can stay in touch. I'll send you an email just once a week. I'm not going to go flood your inbox. And if I have to upload these videos or move my videos to somewhere else, you'll be able to find out and stay watching and stay connected at Survival on Purpose. So anyway, I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.